Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add money or funds in your Facebook ad account. As you can see, I am into my Facebook ads manager. Right here in the left toolbar there is a section of billing and payments. We just simply need to click on it. I have clicked on it and we are into billing and billing section. Okay, here it is, and here we have an option of adding funds. We just need to simply click on this and select the payment method using which we want to add our funds, and enter the amount, how much amount we want to add. And for example, I just want to add $1,000. Then I have entered this and I have selected the payment method, and I will click on next, and it would automatically give me the QR, or if I have selected the net banking, then it would ask us about the login credentials, and if we have selected debit card and credit card, then it will ask the required details like card number, card holder name, and expiry date and all. So the thing which I would recommend you related to adding funds in your Facebook ad account, if you are adding fund in your Facebook ad account for the first time, then you should consider whether you want a prepaid Facebook ad account or postpaid Facebook ad account, right? uh, Generally, people do prefer prepaid ad account, because whenever they run an ad campaign, that first they need to add funds, then only the ad campaign will run, right? And when the fund would get exhausted, then ad campaign would automatically get stopped, right? And when again they will add the funds, then ad campaign will start running, and again it would stop when the fund would get exhausted in the prepaid ad account, right? But in the postpaid ad account, what happens is your ad campaign will run first, and then your Meta will deduct the balance or the fund from your bank account later, like how much you have spent on your ad in the entire day. That particular amount would get deducted from the bank account in the EOD, right? So in that particular case, in the postpaid ad account, many times people forget to turn off the ad campaign, and it automatically debits the bank account, and due to which many times people get panic, and many times they like simply forget that the balance is getting deducted from their bank account regularly. And if they have not checked the messages received from bank, then in 3 to 5 days a good handsome amount of money would get deducted from their bank account. So that's why people want a prepaid ad account, and for that your first transaction matters a lot. Whenever you are adding fund in your ad account for the first time, then I would recommend you not to add fund using credit card. Mostly whenever you use credit card for the first time, then automatically your ad account becomes postpaid ad account, and if you use net banking or UPI, then your ad account turns into prepaid ad account. And once your ad account turns into prepaid account, then it would never change it to postpaid ad account. Or if you have created a postpaid ad account, then it would never change into prepaid account. It means you can not switch your ad account from prepaid to postpaid or postpaid to prepaid, right? So in the first transaction, you should consider whether you want a prepaid ad account and postpaid ad account. And for that, whenever you add funds for the first time, if you are using net banking or UPI, then automatically your ad account will become a prepaid ad account, whereas if you are using credit card for the first time, then it might would get converted into the postpaid ad account. You can also add payment methods later, right? Then you can check out the payment activity whenever you have added the fund and how much has been spent on which day, and you can also enter your business tax info over here. So this is all for now. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.